How does engine displacement work in internal combustion engines? Have you ever wondered what makes an engine tick? One of the key factors is engine displacement, a term that might sound technical but is quite simple to grasp. Engine displacement refers to the total volume that all the pistons in an internal combustion engine sweep as they move. This volume is crucial because it indicates how much air and fuel mixture the engine can intake during one complete cycle of piston movement. To break it down further, let's look at the components involved. The cylinder bore is the diameter of the cylinder where the piston operates. The stroke is how far the piston travels up and down inside the cylinder. Lastly, the number of cylinders tells us how many of these units are present in the engine. Now, how do we calculate engine displacement? The formula is straightforward. You take the cross-sectional area of one cylinder, which is based on the bore, multiply it by the stroke length, and then multiply that by the number of cylinders. For instance, if you have an engine with 4 cylinders, each with a bore of 80 millimeters and a stroke of 90 millimeters, the displacement would be around 1.8 liters. From a thermodynamic standpoint, engine displacement is directly related to the engine's ability to intake air and fuel. More displacement means a larger volume of air-fuel mixture can be burned in each cycle, which can lead to more power. However, keep in mind that displacement alone does not determine how much power an engine produces. Other factors like engine design, fuel efficiency, and combustion quality also play significant roles. In practical terms, engine displacement affects performance, fuel consumption, and maintenance. Engines with larger displacement often deliver more power but may also consume more fuel. If you want to increase displacement, you can enlarge the bore, increase the stroke, or add more cylinders. However, these changes can affect the overall size and weight of the engine. In essence, engine displacement is a fundamental measure of an internal combustion engine's size and capacity. It reflects how much air-fuel mixture the engine can process in one piston cycle. This concept is closely tied to the thermodynamic cycle within the engine, where the chemical energy from fuel transforms into mechanical work. Understanding engine displacement helps clarify how different engines vary in power and efficiency, grounding the principles of thermodynamics in real-world applications.